Hello and welcome to your advanced Java programming course. And in this video, we're going to practice using the print writer. Now before we begin, you must do the following. Create your print writer program, like so. Import these three packages. And finally, copy and paste the text file I provided you with, printing.txt, into the project folder, like so. Once you have done all of that, we can now begin programming. First, we want to take care of the error that appears with the print writer. And to do that, you go to public static void main, you see here at the top. After the bracket, before the curly brackets open, you type in the following: throws IO exception. Once you have done that, we begin the main program. Once you have done that, we begin programming the main program. Type in the following: print writer out file equals new print writer. Open up your brackets. New file writer printing.txt, and then close with a semicolon. Once you have written out the print line, you must now close out file. And now let's run the program. It should say build successful, but the real output is going to be in the text file itself. And as you can see here, I've just opened it and it has print hello world. Now I'm going to change the values again from hello world to just hello and see if it still works. I run the program, go into my NetBeans project, double click on printing text, and as you can see it has. If it isn't printing, make sure that your out file is closed once you run the program. Otherwise it won't work, and you will have a blank document instead. What we are going to do now is create a small program that asks the user to enter in a word as many times as they like until they type in the word stop in all caps. So first we're going to create a user variable. Let's call it string temp equals, and type joptionpane.show input dialog, inside brackets enter stop in all caps to stop. Now we open up a while loop that will keep running until the user enters in stop. So while not equals to temp not equals, and we'll put in the line stop in all caps. We take our out file, place it in the while loop, and replace hello with the user's variable, in this case temp. Next, we ask the user once more, so just copy this above line code here, not including string, and there we go. Now when we run the program, it should keep running until the user enters in stop. So let's see, we type in a random word, so let's type in a random sentence, type in something else, and finally let's type in stop. Now if we go to our text file, we'll see that it has included everything. But when we run the program again and just type in another random sentence and type in stop, the result will be different. As you can see here, it is just random sentence. That is because print writer has overwritten the text file and started anew. However, if we wanted to keep everything that the user has written, we can then just add comma true. Now when we run the program twice, it should include both values. So let's type in test1 and type in stop. Let's double click to make sure. It has still included the random sentence from before and test1, so it hasn't overwritten any of the data. And we can do this indefinitely and it would still keep the same values. So let's type in test2 and stop. Open up it once more and it includes all three values. So now we've created a true print writer. So it will never be overwritten and it will keep all values. And that's it for the print writer. I suggest you practice the print writer and the file scanner together. For example, you can have the file scanner scan data and process the data to information, and then you can print the information into a text file. This is a more common program that you see today. In the next video, I'll show you how to handle the file not found exception in a user-friendly manner.